You absolutely cannot miss this shocking truth. A high-end recording solution that's fully NDAA compliant at a price that rivals Hikvision and Dahua. It's the new ACTi Linux NVR. Supporting 4 to 64 channels, it's built for education, factories, and logistics operations. Whether your goal is high efficiency, low risk, or maximum value, this is your next must-have security solution. First, let's talk about the core power of the ACTi Linux NVR, supporting up to 64 video channels. Whether you're a school security manager, factory administrator, or logistics supervisor, this feature enables centralized management of dozens of cameras across your site. You can monitor entrances, corridors, storage zones, and loading docks simultaneously. This dramatically reduces hardware clutter while maximizing coverage. Just one device can manage the entire facility, giving you real-time oversight without the hassle of juggling multiple NVR units. Next, the ACTi Linux NVR supports up to 8 storage bays, perfect for institutions needing long-term footage retention. Whether for compliance, audits, or incident investigations, you'll never run out of space. Security personnel in factories, campuses, or logistics centers can configure and manage each bay through an intuitive UI, ensuring critical footage is safely stored and accessible. With this level of flexibility, you minimize the risk of data loss and build a robust evidence archive for operational and legal security. Third, each bay supports up to 22 TB of storage, perfect for high-resolution and high frame rate footage. For schools capturing hours of 4K lecture recordings, factories tracking production lines, or warehouses documenting every shipment, this capacity ensures uninterrupted recording. Say goodbye to compromised quality and constant drive replacements. This is next-generation scalability, designed to meet modern data needs with room to grow. Fourth, let's talk about accessibility. With full support for both local and remote web clients, ACTi Linux NVR empowers you to manage your system from anywhere. Whether you're on-site in the control room or away at a remote monitoring center, all live streams and alerts are a few clicks away. Need to respond to after-hours incidents in the warehouse or school? Just log in remotely and take immediate action. This level of control eliminates blind spots and delays in decision-making. Finally, the ACTi Linux NVR seamlessly integrates with ZNR and YVR CMS platforms through plugin services. For multi-site institutions with campuses, factories, or storage facilities, this means one unified dashboard to manage all NVRs. IT and security teams can streamline operations, enforce centralized policies, and reduce compatibility issues. It's not just about hardware anymore, it's about building an intelligent ecosystem that evolves with your needs. You're not just getting high specs, you're also saving your budget. For system integrators and end users alike, this is the best value for money investment in the market. Stop settling for trade-offs. This is the win-win you've been waiting for. This is the one solution you can't afford to miss. Contact us today to see how ACTi Linux NVR can transform safety across your school, factory, or logistics facility. With unmatched flexibility, top-tier specs, and unbeatable value, your smarter security strategy starts now. Don't wait, your competitors won't.